Hello, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Let's talk about wood decks versus synthetic decks for your backyard renovation and what are some of the advantages and disadvantages of both. So first up, let's talk about synthetic decks, Trex, TimberTech, and how they're built in some of those colors. So let's really quickly kind of go through how these decks are built. And they're built in almost exactly the same way when it comes to the substructure. You have your pressure treated timbers that are going to be set in concrete, Simpson ties or something similar to attach the beams and the stringers to the substructure there. So there you have your 4x6s or 4x8s, depending on how big a deck you are building. And then the 2x6 beams underneath that to support the decks. Now the big difference is when you get started with the actual material, that's where there's a difference between how wood and synthetic is put together. So let's look at this one. This is a TimberTech deck, and they use these universal fasteners. And the great advantage of these universal fasteners is that they go into these little grooves on each one of these boards, and they are invisible. You cannot see how they're attached once the boards are slid in and locked in with these little fasteners. Unlike a wood deck where you're going to see those screws from the top. And because of that, these tend to hold in place better the boards themselves with these Trex, or again, in this case, this is a TimberTech. So this deck cost about $10,000 to make. It was a 200 square foot deck, elevated, obviously with a whole lot of cuts to fill in this triangle space. Another thing I want to point out is notice that the jacuzzi was installed first and then the deck is built around it. That's a very typical for both styles of deck. Same thing when we do this one. Now this is a Trex deck. And by the way, there's links in the comment section for both Trex and TimberTech, as well as some of the wood materials we're going to look at. Now the nice thing about it, one of the big advantages of synthetic TimberTech or Trex is that they have a great weather resistance. So this particular staircase and front deck was built at a property that was only a block from the ocean. So lots of ocean spray in the air that could really corrode a wood deck. And that's why I recommended going with this synthetic deck and stairs. Lots of different colors too. When you look on the click on the link in the video description, you're going to see all the different colors that these come in. All right, so let's talk about wood decks. Now, wood in general is going to be less expensive than synthetic. However, some of these hardwoods, like Ipe and Mangaris, as you're about to see, they cost almost the same now as Trex and TimberTech. Now, they're going to give you some really wonderful colors as well as the synthetic. The disadvantage is notice how this Ipe deck got a little discolored with all the chlorine coming out of that hot tub. Mangaris is a little tougher. I actually prefer Mangaris when working with hardwoods because Mangaris has these wonderful, wonderful yellowing streaks in it. I think it's just such a beautiful wood, especially once that's sealed. So here's one we did around this jacuzzi. Again, wrapped it around. We actually sunk the jacuzzi so that it would be flush to the top of the deck. And so this is kind of one of the nice things about wood is that you can get some really beautiful colors out of there that's a little bit trickier than if you're working with the synthetic. Well, that's all the time we have. Big shout out and thank you to Unique Landscaping for their help with this video. They're really wonderful here in San Diego. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.